Okay.
You already know what it is. Your boy NOOK coming to you live and direct. I have a guest with me. It's my girlfriend. This is my soulmate.
Cat, big cat.
My friend Ashley. I'm gonna let her introduce herself. Can you tell us about yourself? What brings you here today?
You asked me to.
Yeah. She's trying to play me on camera. All right. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do the little noodle challenge. The was it too spicy hot noodle challenge? Here's the thing though. Okay. Hear me out. This is what you're gonna do.
This is what I'm going to do.
After you finish your noodles, after you finish your bowl of noodles, show your noodles. Okay, mine right here.
You know
Mine look better, but mine ain't.
I mean, chef in the kitchen.
Listen, after you finish.
What you mean yours is better?
Chill. After you finish, you have to go 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes without drinking anything. I see you got your water right here. I got my Kool-Aid right here. So that you know, this is the Clee Vegas Kool-Aid.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But anyway.
So you put like 3 scoops instead of 2?
No, I put more than that. I put about 2 or 3 gallons.
That's not good for you.
But listen, now while we're doing this, I'm gonna ask you some questions. It's most likely gonna be like, would you rather type questions? And then I'm gonna go some off the wall types.
That's what I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's take the first bite.
You can eat.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm kind of scared.
God.
I don't need.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Instantly. I instantly came from my mouth.
Oh my. They about to start hiccuping and shit. Already.
It's not as bad like the first bite, but when you keep eating it, yeah.
I'm up.
Yeah.
Yeah, tripping. I got my guy. I got my guy Spanish right here. So, hey, yeah, tripping. Oh shit! Come on now.
But this Kool-Aid, is it available for the public?
Not right now.
Or is it just in production?
It's in production. Right
Listen, I can't deal with you with these jokes.
Come on, yo. Come on.
So this
What do you mean? Come on, how many supposed to? You didn't ask nothing yet.
Oh yeah. I forgot.
Oh y'all, yeah. Get to the question.
You gotta
I'm
ask
just
the
looking
question
at
first,
the
fool.
All right. First.
Will you be able to see?
First question.
Oh my gosh.
Would you rather have 3 feet or 3 hands?
3 feet or 3 hands, what you said?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have 3 hands.
Wow.
Cause with 3 feet, like you gotta get used to walking like that. With with your hands, like you know, so you can pick up more things. You be like the best stalker, like at Walmart.
Yeah, she clowning today.
So you got
You on your shit today. Listen. Listen.
Alright, so you asked me a question. I'm gonna ask you a question. Okay, hold on. Would you rather be able to freeze time or travel in time?
Probably.
Would you put hot sauce in your words?
Yeah. Probably freeze time.
Why?
Yeah, have you seen the movie Click?
Yeah.
Adam Sandler? You know how you be freezing time and all that stuff?
Yeah.
So somebody talk crazy, I
You
just
just
smack
go
the
back
shit
and
out of them.
like, and press play.
Yeah,
Like it never happened.
that's what I do.
So wait, can we drink water now?
No. You gotta finish you gotta finish the whole thing and then wait 2 minutes. Okay. So you better start.
The more and more you eat, the harder it gets, bro.
Let's see.
I'm gonna be able to.
Would you rather lose all your teeth or all your hair?
I'm sorry, my what?
Your hair.
I'd rather lose all my hair because it can grow back. Your teeth
What
can
if
grow
it
back.
can't? What if it can't?
I'll be alright. I'll just be bald.
Okay. My next question about to be off the wall.
No,
Yeah,
it's my turn, right?
Yeah.
Maybe if I can't fill my mouth no more, it won't be no problem with eating stuff. Cause whew. Would you rather read the book or watch the movie? I've always wondered this from people.
I already watched the movie. Listen, I don't like reading books. I don't buy books. I say my first semester is probably the only time I bought a book. For real. Here's my next question. Tell you two how long we've been dating.
Let's see. Never.
Dang. That's tough.
Yeah, never started dating. Nigga, you got me. You tripping. You were wilding.
Oh, snap. That's crazy.
But it's just hard.
It's starting to run up on me. Just imagine after this shit, stomach about to be on.
Would you rather be stranded in the jungle or in the desert?
Probably
But it's burning so bad.
Probably in the jungle.
In the jungle?
Yeah, just because there's probably more stuff out there to like eat. In the desert, you don't got nothing really. Jeez, but weed. Wow.
He needs some milk.
Wow. Oh my. I need to smell it.
Oh god.
I need to smell it.
Hey.
Alright. Hey, my turn. Alright. So, how long you been liking me?
Listen. People know we're not together.
Damn!
So how's them facts? Hey, I cannot feel my lips. Hey, my lips tingling and wow.
It's time to take dope. Now it's time to get all together.
Bro, that is not gonna happen, bro. This is too hot.
The back of my head is starting to hurt.
Oh, me, I'm starting to get a headache. Like, I'm not even joking. But I'm trying to make a pass. Like, my body is moving in slow motion. Like, when you feel drunk as hell, I feel like I'm drunk.
Yeah, y'all tripping.
No, you tripping.
Yeah, y'all tripping.
But do you not fuck you like drunk?
I don't know.
Would you rather have legs of a frog or a head of a fly?
Right, lady. I can't have no damn.
Head of a fly. No, I'm so serious, bro. Like, everything moving so much. But it's okay, because it's starting to come off. Like,
No, it's not.
yes, it is. I don't.
Oh, no. You sit there lie like that.
Ooh. The more you stop eating, I think it's when you.
That's when it starts.
That's when it starts what? Yo, I can't breathe. Hey,
Come on now. Oh, that's my turn.
we pop. This one of them you gotta keep singing to keep yourself together.
Would you rather never stop growing taller or never need to sleep?
Never stop going tall. I'm already short.
I'm just answering
Why
the
would
question.
you said not sleep?
Yeah. Never need to sleep.
Why would you never need to sleep? What are
I
you
don't
doing
know.
that's so important that you don't need to sleep?
I don't know.
You know what I'm saying?
Why would you want to keep growing taller?
I don't know. I mean, you be the biggest person ever.
But you
Why
do
would you
that.
never sleep? You will always be awake.
I had to knock myself out.
You tripping? Am I dreaming?
Yeah.
Yo, it's a like when bacon is on the stove.
Yeah, you got me. Yeah.
She fucking you up, bro.
For real though.
You do sound like with bacon on the stove.
Come on now.
Listen, I ain't took a bite in about 3 minutes.
I know.
I'm trying to get my life together because if I pass out, you gotta do CPR.
I don't mind doing that.
This nigga not trying to bring it back to life. He's trying to make out.
Oh man. Come on now.
Would you rather slowly walk across red hot coals or put your hand on a hot iron for 10 seconds? Or eat these noodles because they feel the same.
The second one.
Put your hand on that for 10 minutes?
Yeah.
But walk across? Oh, slowly.
Yeah.
So you can just run across. But we almost there.
No, I'm almost there. You ain't. No, you chill out.
Chill out. We both look at him and pause.
Bro,
Well, I feel this in my chest, bro.
my glass is fogging up. Alright, what else I got? This ain't it. Oh, she's scraping. Oh, she's scraping.
I told you I needed that break. But then I realized I'm hungry. So eat.
Let's see what we got. Would you rather marry someone that you don't love or marry someone that don't love you?
Run that back one more time.
Says, would you rather marry someone that you don't love or marry someone that don't love you?
Maybe someone I don't love.
Oh.
Because I'm going to eventually love you. But I just got to teach myself. Someone that don't love me, I can't keep convincing you to love me.
Okay.
Damn, you almost done.
Yeah. You almost done too though.
Oh my God. I gotta take breaks though.
No, forget that. I'm almost done.
And then I'm almost there. You know? I broke mine out into like little pieces. Mistake. And we got on long sleeves.
Yeah.
Yo, we tripping.
Oh, that's it. That's a wrap. That last one.
So wait, so you finna time yourself in 2 minutes?
No, I gotta wait for you.
Damn. Hold on, let me get myself together. My lips are. Listen.
Come on now.
Listen. I'm trying to pass out.
Would you rather have a unibrow or a full, like, back of hair?
A unibrow.
Why not a full back of hair?
That's like a shade. Unibrow is just every day.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
Listen, I already don't finish. I'm just waiting on her.
I'm trying to get my life together. Hold on. 'Cause my head's spinning. I feel like. Ooh.
Chill out.
I feel sick.
Oh my gosh.
My mama not playing. Cause it's nasty. My body's so hot.
Yeah.
Will it cool it off if I blow it?
No. Alright, now you push. Oh, that's it then. Well, I guess it was a draw.
He drank first, but it was a draw. I took care.
Appreciate y'all watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Please do, because that was torture.
I'm gonna also put my friend Ashley social media stuff in the description, so make sure you follow her. You know, do what you do.
I mean, I'm never on there like that, so you don't really have to.